Hi, today we'll be talking about the Pythagorean Theorem. Let's get started. So first, let's look at the word Pythagorean and where it comes from. If you realize that Pythagorean has Pythagor, which comes from Pythagoras. Pythagoras was a Greek mathematician, and usually the Pythagorean Theorem, which we'll be learning very shortly, is attributed to Pythagoras. However, in reality, many different cultures, including the Chinese, had actually figured out the Pythagorean Theorem long before. Okay, well, let's learn what the Pythagorean Theorem is. Well, the Pythagorean Theorem only applies to right triangles, such as this one. It basically states that a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, where a and b are the legs of the right triangle and c is the hypotenuse. Okay, well, let's do two examples to make sure we understand this. So our first example is we have 3 and 4 as the legs, so 3 and 4 equal legs. And we want to find x, which is the hypotenuse. So let's apply the Pythagorean theorem. So we're going to say a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And a in this case can be 3 squared, plus 4 squared, which is b, because these are the legs. And this is equal to c squared. Or in this case, we are calling it x squared. Okay, so 3 squared plus 4 squared is 9 plus 16, which is equal to 25. So 25 is equal to x squared, so then we take the square root. And since x has to be positive, x is equal to 5. Okay, so easy enough. Let's try doing one more example. So we have, in this case, we know one of the legs is 6. And we know the hypotenuse is 10, and we are supposed to find x, the other leg. So again, let's write our formula. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. A in this case is 6, so we have 6 squared, plus b in this case is x, so we have x squared, is equal to c squared, and c is 10, so we have c squared. So 10 squared. So we have 36 plus x squared is equal to 100. And we're going to bring 36 to the other side by subtracting 36 on both sides. So we get x squared is equal to 100 minus 36. So x squared is equal to 64. And then we take the square root of both sides. And since x has to be positive, we have x is equal to 8. Okay, so I hope that helped, and I hope to see you soon.